Okay, so this is the banded glute walk or glute abduction. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our resistance band, our hip band, step into it. And there are 3 ways to do this exercise. Each one is of varying intensity. This is the easiest one. So you're going to put your feet about shoulder width apart, come down into a quarter squat position, or about there, keeping your chest up. And what we are going to do is take little mini steps, never coming in too close like that. You always want to maintain that distance. And yeah, so that's that version. And then we can make this a little bit harder by bringing the band down to about the ankle height. And then the hardest progression will be if you have it under your feet like so. And this is where your glutes will get the most involvement. And you should really start to feel a burn on your glute medius if you're doing these correctly. Remember to maintain that distance and spacing while you're stepping.